What's up, good people? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. We here again live today, this evening, Sunday on the 8th of, today is 8th of November 2020. It should be in the morning, in the midnight in London time as we speak right now. But let's just get down to business. You understand? Last week I forecasted that USD is going to come down. It's going to reverse somewhere here. Unfortunately, it reversed. It's not that it didn't go the direction that I said. It does go the direction that I said, but it reversed earlier. You get it? So it reversed now, and it's all the way up. So the new candle for Monday has been opened. This is it. This is it at the red line. You can see it. This is it. It's at 1.1890, 1.1890. So that's exactly where the new candle opened. So it's trying to go down. I don't know. Please, people, before we continue, please like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the notification button and add me on all my social media pages. I'll strongly appreciate it. But from what I can see here, you can see that this market is trying to take it down, trend on. But from what I can see here, this market is an uptrending market. You get it? It's so broken out. It's so shown that it's an uptrending market. So this market is heating up. You get it? How up is gonna hit, it depend on the stamina of euro this very week. So this will depend on the stamina of euro. So let's spread this market a bit and see one of the biggest reasons why this market is going up. So this is where the market opens today. It opens here. The market opened at 1.1890, just like we said, and now it's pushing down. Like US dollar wants to be like reacting, showing its muzzle and all that, wants to gain stability. But to me, I don't see US dollar in dominance here. I don't see US dollar in dominance here. And one of the major things I could say that caused really US dollar crash, not just the election or all that, it's this very candle here. It's this very candle here. Get it? This very candle here changed everything. This very candle, I don't know which day that is. That's October 31st. October 31st. This very candle here open. So November 2nd, which was Monday, another candle open. So the candle that closed on October 31st determines a lot of things. You get it? So this candle shows a very solid, reversal. It means there was a trade war within euro currency and US dollar currency. They try to fight and decide what will happen. But when it got to November 2nd, I believe this end on Friday. Yeah, I believe this end on Friday. You get it? So November 2nd, the new candle opened. So when the new candle opened, November 2nd should be Monday. I think that was last week Monday. Yeah, when the new candle opened, it tries to reverse, but it balanced. So this really proved many things. On Tuesday, this was able to shoot up. This was Wednesday. This was Thursday. This was Friday. You get it? So tonight, now we're still in Sunday, but this now open a new candle. This is Monday. This is the candle for Monday, and it's going up from what I can see. So please, people, I'll really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button on my YouTube channel. And if you see anything that you believe that is somehow wrong or anything, please, I'm really open to a polite correction. please. But to me, I've been doing this for some days now, and it's working for me, so I really appreciate it. So I don't know if any one of you really wish to say something to what I'm doing. I really appreciate it, please. Please just drop your comment. Let me know what you think about this market. But from what I could see here, this market is going all the way up again. So here's how it goes. Let's just check it way back a little bit. So this market, let's just go back to July. Okay, this is July. Okay, this is July 6th. From July 6th, this market waved up. It's climbed up. Euro shows a very great strength around July 6th, and it's keep climbing. It's climbed till July 30th. July 30th. So when it comes to July 30th, they start struggling. They start trying to counterbalance, find the decision here, which is very good. They try to find the decision, they try to see the balance, but the power struggle was much. So the breakout wasn't really solid enough. So it keep going up and down, up and down. But I see it's going up and down is trying to prove, is telling us something. The market is telling us something. So the market formed a new edge in this very area. It formed a new edge, and this edge means, should the market not reverse, should the market not break out of this very place, it means the market is still going more all the way up, which is this new candle that it opens today, because it's free and it opens to air. So to me, this market is shooting up wild. You get it? So let's just see some few things again before we really decide what will happen in this market. So I don't know, guys, just tell me what you think. Just tell me, just drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Just look at it here. It forms a solid equilibrium here. It forms a solid equilibrium here. You get it? When it forms it here, it reverse up. When it forms it here, it still reverse up. It forms it here, an half candle before it forms it here, and here it forms it first before a half candle. You get it? But all in total, it still hit up. You get it? So to me, you get it? To me. So this new candle, so clear to me that the market is going up. But when it got to somewhere here, it started galloping. You get it? I don't know, we could say it gallops first. I forecasted this, I think that was on September 9th. I forecasted this, and it went up, but it didn't really break out, but it went up. So it came down again, and it went up, and it came down again. I'm trying to find something to prove some few things. It hit down again, it went up this time, and it tried to hit down. It's forming a kind of uptrending momentum, but it went up, it went bullish again on the favor of euro. But right now it reversed, and USD tried to prove itself, but USD wasn't strong enough. USD wasn't strong enough in the capital market, so it reversed. What really caused the reversal is this flat candle here of equilibrium, and both of them reversed. So this is the flat candle I'm talking about. I call it flat candle because it's it shows you the strength within USD and euro. It shows you that USD was trying to move, euro was holding it down. So there was nobody. It's a draw there at this very candle. It's a draw. You get it? Nobody was able to move. So the on the 2nd of November, this was October 31st. On the 2nd of November, the new candle opened, and it tried to decide what will happen in the market. You get it? They try to form a kind of momentum, show us that US dollar is trying to tell us something, but US dollar wasn't strong enough. It just spoke a language that this is the least of its stamina. This was what US dollar, to me, this was what it says here. This is the least of its stamina, but the market reversed and it started going up. So, to me, I don't see this market stopping here. I don't see this ending as a flat candle, but I see this going as an uptrending candle. You get it? So, people, please just let me know what you think. Let me know how you see the market. It's been waving up, waving down since let me see, since 2017. The market is just, it went up in February 2018. It drops 2018 May. It drops. September 2019. Jesus Christ. US dollar is really winning big, man. And it dropped up to this extent. And it dropped up to this extent on March 17, 2020. And from there, Euro start picking it up. So to me, I believe Euro is going to move, but not for long. Not for long, from what I can see here. Not for long. Not for long. Euro is gonna move, but not for long. You get it? So let's see how the market goes. Let's just take our time to study the market. Let's see what the market will say this week. But for me, this week, I've already EurUSD, I've already placed my buy. You get it? I'm in the market and I'm buying. So if you want to trade, if you wish to follow my trading pattern, that is your own wish. You get it? So that's just it.